So we have our question on the board, and we're going to try to solve this question in two different ways. Okay, let's do it. So we have, for the first method, we have that AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 20, and AC is equal to 30. Now, we can multiply everything out. So we have AB.BC.AC, which will give us 10 times 20 times 30, which is equal to 600. So this is what? A times A, that's A squared, B squared, C squared, which is the same thing as, 6,000. Now, if we take the square root of both sides, that cancels out. What's the square root of 6,000? So we'll take LCM to try to find that out. 2 here is 3,000, 1,500, 750, 375. Let's try 3, 2, 5. Then let's go 5. That's 25. 5. That's 5. 5, and that's 1. Okay. So let's try to group these together. And we have 2 5s. Sorry, that's a 5. So now we have 2 times 2 is 4, 5 times 4 is 20, and we have 3 and 5. 5 times 3 is 15, so we have 20 root 15. That's the square root of 6,000, okay? Now, we know that we're supposed to find the value of A, okay? So now we know ABC. We know that ABC is equal to 20 root 15. Now, to find A, ABC over BC will give us A. Because if these cancel out, we get A. So this is the same thing as 20 root 15. What's our BC? 20. Right? So these cancel out, we get root 15. Then to find out B, ABC divided by, to get the B, we'll divide by AC, right? Because they cancel out. So we have 20 root 15. What's our AC? Our AC is 30. So we have 2 over 3 root 15. And then what's the value of our C? It's ABC divided by AB. So that's 20 root 15 divided by what's our AB? Our AB is 10. So we have 2 root 15. Now, A plus B plus C will become root 15 plus 2/3 root 15 plus 2 root 15. So our common factor there is root 15. So that'll be 1 plus 2/3 plus 2. So this is already 3. 3 plus 2/3. So we take LCM. This is 9 plus 2, 11/3. So therefore, our A plus B plus C is equal to 11/3 root 15. And that's our answer. Okay. Now, we're going to try to solve this same question using a second method. Okay. Let's do it. Second method. Now, we're going to multiply. This is 1, 2, and 3. So we'll multiply 1 times 2 divided by 3, 1 times 3 divided by 2, 2 times 3 divided by 1. Okay? Now, so we have AB times BC over AC. If we cancel these, we get B squared. If we do, okay, let's just write this out straight away. AB is 10 times 20 divided by AC is 30. So we have 20/3. Okay. Now we go AB dot AC divided by BC. B cancels B, C cancels C. We have A squared. So what's our value for AB? That's 10 times AC is 30. And then BC is 20. Cancel out. So we have 2 here is 1, 2 here is 5. 5 times 3, that's 15. AC is 30. Okay, so the last one we have BC dot AC divided by AB. Now we're looking for C squared, right? So that cancels out, and we have C squared. So BC is 20. AC is 30. And AB is 10. So this is what? 60. So now we have A squared plus B squared plus C squared. That's the same thing as A plus B plus C all squared. Okay, so A plus B plus C all squared is the same thing as A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2 BC plus 2AC. Okay? Now, so we just plug in the values that we already have into this. So we get A squared is 15. So now A plus B plus C squared is equal to A squared is 15 plus B squared is 20/3 plus C squared is 60 plus 2AB. So 2 times AB, that's 20 plus 2 times BC. 2 times 20, that's 40. Then 2AC, 2 times 30, that's 60 again. So A plus B plus C is equal to 60 plus 60. That's already 120. 120 plus 60, that's 180. So we have 180 plus 15 plus 20 over 3. So if we add this up, it becomes 195 plus 20 divided by 3. And we take the LCM. 195 times 3, 15, 28, 585. So we have 585 plus 3 and 3 is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. This becomes 605 divided by 3. So let's break down this 605. If we take the LCM, since we have 5 as a last number, so 5 will be a divisor. So we have 1 to 1. And then we have 11, 11. Okay? So now we know that this is the same thing as 121 times 5 divided by 3. And then we have a plus b plus c all squared. Now, if we take the square root of both sides, this cancels out. Then we have a plus b plus c is equal to, this is the same thing as this divided by root 3. Now, square root of 121 is 11. Root 5 divided by root 3. Now we need to rationalize this so we can get this sort out of the bottom, get the square root out of the bottom. So we rationalize and it becomes a plus b plus c divided by root 3. We'll multiply top and bottom by root 3 to get rid of the square root. So we have 11 root 5 times root 3, that's root 15. Root 3 will give us 3. So a plus b plus c is equal to 11 root 15 divided by 3. And this is also exactly the same answer that we got with the first method. Okay, so if you've learned something new today, make sure to like this video. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. Make sure to share this video so somebody else can learn something new as well. I'll see you on the next one.